Hello everyone, Simon here from myforestmagicwave.com. I'm just making a small video about this pair Euro-Aussie. So let's get started. This is the chart I made on the 16th January, right? And this is Elliott wave count, small chart here. I made all these diagrams and I have it like all harmonic patterns and Elliott waves and all of that. So this is the Elliott wave count, 1, 2, 3. After 3, this is supposed to go up for wave 4. So I found this here that, it's going by the book, 1, 2, and 3. So it's gonna go up for wave 4, right? So I made this chart, I gave it to my subscribers to be ready and go look for long. And then what happened to this chart is this. So it went up a little bit even higher than what I was expecting. But after that, then it started to drop here for wave 5. So I said, okay, I had this chart, but I missed from here, from the top. I don't know where it is. So it went down here, bounced from the TL. Then this is wave 2. I says, okay, this is wave 1, 2, and then just like here, it comes on in waves, right? So it's 1, 2, and then it's gonna come down for wave 3 to the downside, finishing up this wave 5 here. All right. So look what happened to this chart is this so far, right? So it's coming down nicely, and it end up at 56.82. That was my target for this week, by the way. Exactly, that it came and it stopped exactly at that number. Let me show you why it was my. I'm saying that was my target is because of this my Telegram note here. You can see EA is back to 58.27 and should drop from here. If it does, the target would be 56.82. And that is exactly what it did. 56.82. Right. So where the heck was I am here? Okay. Now, so you see that 56.82, right? So what is the benefit of going through all that? I get wave count and this and that. Is this? Look how many trades I did since then. Okay, it's going up and down and up and down, and I'm catching all of those moves. And here on the 19th, 40 pip going to the upside, right? Wave 4, and then it was coming down on the 20th, January 20th, beautiful 7-minute entry, and end up with 85 pip here. On the 21st, going to the upside again, and 70 pip, all Euro US, Euro Aussie. And then going up again for 75 pip on the 27th. And then the week in between that, I don't know where those charts are, but forget about them. But then on the 3rd, this week, on the 3rd, and this is what I'm on the 1st, I put the note over there that we're going to drop below 58.27. So we start dropping here. So this is the first trade here on the 3rd. Second trade on the 4th came down from 58.27. That was the first from there. Then 40 pip from here, 57.68 bounce, and then short setup, boom, right? This is my order here, SL, you can always see here. And it come down here, and then final, one more shot to the downside, below 57.68 till here, 56.82, final target hit, and 40 pip here again. This is how, and this is how many trades I got from only this pair. I'm not even showing other pairs. I have 13 or 14 trades today. I will make that video later on, weekly recap, where I'll show all the trades that was taken this week, okay, using this system. So this is what it is. This just one little pair, one pair, you can do this much if you learn how to use this system. That's how I just wanted to share with you guys. So I hope you like it, and if you like it, then subscribe my channel, and so that you can get these videos on time. I'm gonna make a video for weekly recap next video, and then maybe tomorrow I'm gonna make a video about, then again, pound USD, and maybe a couple of other pairs setups for the next week, so you guys can maybe take advantage of those moves, right? So, but don't forget the USD, very good numbers, and it got weaker. I don't know why, but it will. Maybe it's just a fake out, but then next week it's gonna get strong, all right? And Euro Aussie, pound Aussie, not Euro Aussie, man. Pound USD, Euro USD, Aussie USD, and New USD. They will be going down. USD CAD, USD franc, USD yen. These three will be going up. But then, I will show maybe at least a couple of them in my next video tomorrow, so that you can take advantage of that. All right. So this is it for now. And thanks for watching, and have a very, very wonderful and safe weekend.